Hey guys, this is KV. Welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon to let you know I posted another video. Today, we are going to open up my favorite things out of the mystery stuff I open. I have several stuff I like to open, but I say this is my number one out of all the things I love to open. It is ta-da! Series 3 mini brands. I've already took the wrapper off of 4 of these, but look, it's actually white. Let's see if I can open. I hate opening these stupid things. "20 years later, and I'll open these." See, it's white. I'm sorry I've not been posting like I should. I have some personal issues I'm dealing with right now, so it's going to take some time for me to get back into my routine of making a bunch of videos all at once and going from there. So it's going to take me a little bit. These are like the series 1 of how this series 1 has the white balls, and the series 2 has the gold ball. And look, you would think this would be a silver ball, but really, see? Really, they're white. So, let me open up this last ball. Then we'll get into this video. I'm so excited for this. My husband actually got me these. To where I've had problems. He actually went to Walmart and he told me on the phone, he said, pick a number. I think it was 4 or 6. So I had no clue what he was talking about. I had no clue of what he was talking about. And I'm like, 4 or 6 on what? He goes, just pick a number, 4 or 6. And I'm thinking, I said 6. He came back with 6 of these balls, which I only have 5 because I opened one that night. But let's get into this video because I'm so excited for this. So let's get started. And I know it's going to have shopping carts and all this. You know the drill. I think we all know the drill. My first one is the Baggies. I have missed opening up these so much. But I kind of don't have time because I'm working all the time. And like I said, I'm trying to get like as much videos out as I possibly can. Golden Chris. I don't think I have this one. Maybe this is a new one. And it's got the back. Like, I don't know if you can tell. of like, it's like really small. Like the calories and all that. That's pretty cool. 21 grams of sugar that's in this small little container. Which there's nothing in it. But like, these are so cute and so cool to open. I mean, I wish there was a toy inside of a toy. I mean, that would be pretty cool. What is this? Oh, my likes. That is so cool. There's the back. That is so cool. I got 2 more on this ball. The list. We have got Icebreakers Sours. If you ever had Icebreakers, they're pretty good. I'm not a big fan. This is mixed berry, strawberry, and cherry. I'm not a big fan of them. And my last one on this ball. It's Cool Whip. The little Cool Whip. That is pretty cool. Next ball. I'm gonna ride these other balls out of the way so I can like perfectly. Can y'all see me better? Perfectly like this, cause I'm on my laptop. Look, it hates me. But it's a shopping buggy. Let's just throw that to the side because I don't want to. I hate them with a passion. I hate them with a passion. This. Oh my god! It's cute! Really? Oh my god! Look at that! Sorry, I'm like totally shocked right now. That is so adorable! That's so stinking cute. Another list to check off. Hershey's Cookies and Cream. And they said that there's new stuff that's going to be in these. So, and I don't think I have none of those. No, because all these stuff is new, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because I've never got any of this. This is hot sauce. What? Oh, flavor. Ah. That's weird how flavor ice. That's so cute. 6 fruity flavors. You got lemon, lime, orange, strawberry, tropical punch, grape, and berry punch. That is so stinking cute. 16 ice pops. That is so cute. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I cannot open it. Oh my god, guys. I'm so excited. I can't even get the little popper off. What do I have? Oh, well. I just opened a duplicate. Another duplicate because it's a shopping cart. TGIF Fridays. Oh, my back hurts. Cheese dip. That is stinking cool. Stinking cool. I got some dum-dums. That's neat. That is so neat. What do I got next? I got cream cheese. You want some cream cheese? I love cream cheese. My husband don't like cream cheese, but I love cream cheese. Next ball. That one had a hair on it. Look, I have not done to where we have to wear goggles and masks at work because I work at a nursing home. I don't put my hair's up in pigtails. I don't put no makeup on no more because we have to wear these masks, and like by the time like you put these masks on, you wear them 8 hours a day, and makeup just gonna be on the mask. So why put makeup on with a mask? Look, I used to when we first started wearing them. I used to. Then I just stopped because I'm like, why? What? I mean, what's the purpose? You're just wasting makeup. I mean, what's the purpose of doing it? I got some dum-dums. I don't know why. I guess it's Friday, and I got a week off for next week because it's our anniversary. Black pepper. Pure ground black pepper. This is next. It is rice. Sorry. 30 minutes. Just add meat. I swear, every single ball I have opened is a shopping buggy. Come on, be something new. Be something new. It is yellow mustard. Yellow mustard. These are so stinking cute. I love these. My last ball. I have a thing, like, I got to thinking. On these, I don't know how I would do them. Or how. But like, in my film room, I'm thinking about like putting like these like onto the wall like this and just having them on the wall and have toys in them, because I have got 2 full containers full of many brands, and I got like this big old huge container of like other toys I have open. So comment down below and let me know if that's a good idea or not to do that, because I think it'd be so stinking cool. Or to like to paint them and do them that way and just stick toys down in there. It'd be like a filming room slash toy room slash gaming room slash, I don't know. I got a duplicate like mine. I'm gonna set that over there. I got wart heads all mixed up. See if I can get that to focus on the wart head and not my shirt. You know, my husband's sponsored by Ray's energy drinks, and then they came out with a flavor called Warthead. It's really good. It tastes just like a Warthead. Now, I don't know how they make it taste like a candy. My next one is this. My next one is Crystal Light, what I drink. But I do not drink strawberry. I drink the raspberry. And my very last one. Better be a good one, because I've got 2 duplicates. Oh, I just got 2 duplicates out of like all 6 balls, or no, 5 balls. Because in the other ball I opened, can't remember, I know cheese and something else is in it. This is my last one. I didn't like these as a kid. So, but anyways, that's going to end this video. Comment down below of what you want me to do next. And comment if you think that would be a good idea to hang this on the wall, paint it different colors, and put toys in it for the spare bedroom. Well, I have 2 spare bedrooms, but we're turning one of them into a workout room. But anyways, this is KB. I only got 16 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button if you've not already. Share with your family, friends, and just get me out there. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next one.